Hello everyone, welcome to Sarkari Study Point. So students, PSPCL रेवेन्यू अकाउंटेंट, अकाउंट्स ऑफिसर और इंटरनल ऑडिट के लिए फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट की आज की ये फर्स्ट क्लास है. स्टूडेंट्स, हम टोटल 749 MCQs कवर करेंगे जिसमें कि सारा फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट कवर हो जाएगा. सो आज की ये फर्स्ट क्लास है तो इसमें हम 100 MCQ कवर करेंगे. So it's part 1. Now start with the questions. All business need to have which fundamental essential element? Option D, strategy is the right answer. Which of the following variable is not known in IRR, internal rate of return? That is discount rate. According to the traditional approach, what is the effect of increase in degree of leverage on the valuation of firm? Increase in the degree of leverage. इसका इफेक्ट क्या होगा? Increase first and then decreases. The maximum expenses that an equity scheme charge to an investor is 0.025. The bonds with shorter maturity will have lower duration. Relaxed or liberal credit implies credit to customers, that is higher. Objectives of financial planning are determining capital structure. PI of the project is the ratio of present value of inflows to present value of outflows. PV of inflow, PV of outflow. Bird in hand argument is given by Gordon's model. When the required rate of return is less than the coupon rate, the premium on the bond declines. Evaluation of firm's credit policy can be done by computing expected net benefit from it. All the listed and traded securities are valued at closing market price. Financial management would not supervise on the following area, that is financial accounting and auditing. Financial management में ये area cover नहीं होगा. In case of risky projects, the required rate of return would generally be हायर. जितना ज्यादा रिस्क होगा तो इस केस में रिटर्न भी उतनी ही ज्यादा होगी. Residuals theory argues that dividend is as passive decision. Investors' subscriptions are accounted as unit capital. Face value is the value stated on the face of the bond and is known as par value. It's par value. Collection policy refers to the procedure followed to collect accounts receivable after the expiry of credit period. Next question. Financial manager would play the role of budget analyst in the area of finance. Accounting rate of return is based on average expected profit. Model of dividend irrelevance uses arbitrage between dividend and capital issue. ETF can be traded throughout the trading day at market prices. सो यहाँ पे ETF की फुल फॉर्म क्या है? एक्सचेंज traded fund. Intrinsic value of a bond is present value of the all future cash flows. Future cash flows की present value of future cash flows. Credit standards means the basic criteria for the extension of credit to customers. The presence of taxes in capital budgeting analysis will cause the IRR to decrease. इससे क्या है, हमारी जो इंटरनल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न है वो कम हो जाती है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मार्केट वैल्यू refers to the price at which an asset can be traded in the market. Amalgamation is a blending of two or more existing undertaking into one undertaking. जैसे कि A और B को मिलाकर हम क्या बनाने वाले हैं, AB Limited. So it's called as amalgamation. Disinvestment means the action of organization or government selling or liquidating an asset or subsidiary. Direct lease, the lessee and the owner of the equipment are two different entities. Bank credit is the primarily institutional source of working capital finance in India. Goodwill means reputation of a firm which is in existence for a number of years in market. Cross-border merger involves merger and acquisition of firm belongs to different countries of the world. Joint venture is an entity formed by two or more companies to undertake financial activity together. In a hire purchase transaction, the goods are let on hire. The purchase price is to be paid in installment and hirer is allowed an option to purchase the goods by paying all the installment. The arrangement in which entire amount of borrowing is credited to current account of the borrower or realized in cash is called as loan. Book value is equals to total assets minus long-term debt. Next question. Financial synergy refers to increase in the value of the firm that occurs to the combined firm from financial factors. The kind of takeover which is done through negotiations between two groups is called as friendly takeover. From the point of view lessee, a lease is a financing decision. Letter of credit, indirect form of working capital financing, and bank assume only the risk of credit being provided by the supplier himself. EVA equals to net profit after tax. Profit after tax minus equity capital into percentage of cost of equity capital. So here full form of EVA is economic value added. Next question. Exchange ratio is the ratio of the number of shares of the acquiring firm and the selling firm's share. Which of the following is not a usual method of calculation of share swap ratio? Economic value added. Sale and lease back and leverage lease are types of finance lease. Mortgage are taken as an additional security for working capital credit by banks. Intrinsic value is used when an investor wants true or real value on the basis of analysis of fundamental without considering the prevailing market price in the market. EPS is equals to, EPS is earning per share. EPS equals to net profit after tax divided by number of shares. AS 14 classify merger as vertical and horizontal. So students, इस वीडियो में बहुत से अकाउंट्स के ऐसे क्वेश्चंस हैं जो हम कवर कर रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ जो पेपर है उस वहां पर भी क्वेश्चंस ऐसे ही रहने वाले हैं. तो इस तरह से ये आपके एक तरह से प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी. ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग लीज in AS 19 is almost same as required by tax law in India. Tandon Committee has suggested 3 methods of working out the maximum amount that unit may expect from the bank. MPBF. The appropriate objective of an enterprise is maximization of owner's wealth. The job of a finance manager is confined to raising of funds and their effective utilization. Financial decision involves investing, financing, and dividend decision. Net profit ratio signifies operational profitability. Working capital turnover measures the relationship of working capital with fixed assets. Dividend payout ratio is DPS divided by EPS. Dividend per share divided by earning per share. Inventory turnover measures the relationship of inventory with cost of goods sold. The term economic value added is used for B. So हमने क्वेश्चन में ही EVA की इससे पहले भी फुल फॉर्म बता दी थी. Return on investment may be improved by increasing turnover, reducing expenses, or increasing capital utilization. So the answer is all of the above. In current ratio, current assets are compared with current liabilities. There is deterioration in the management of working capital of XYZ Limited. What does it refers to? That debtors collection period has increased. Debt to total assets ratio can be improved by redemption of debt. Ratio of net income to number of equity share is known as earning per share. Net income divided by number of shares. A current ratio of less than 1 means current assets less than current liabilities. A firm has capital of 10 lakh, sales of 5 lakh and gross profit of 2 lakh, expenses of 1 lakh. Then what is the net profit? So in this question, net profit is gross profit minus expenses. Gross profit is 2 lakh, minus expenses 1 lakh. Now net profit is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh divided by sales, that is 5 lakh into 100 equals to 20%. Option A is the right answer. Next question. Suppliers and creditors of a firm are interested in liquidity position. Which of the following is a measure of debt service capacity of a firm? Interest coverage ratio. Gross profit ratio for a firm remains same, but the net profit ratio is decreasing. The reason for such behavior could be if increase in expense. ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट तो हर साल हमारा सेम रहने वाला रह रहा है इस क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग, लेकिन जैसे ही एक्सपेंसेस इंक्रीज होते रहेंगे तो हमारा नेट प्रॉफिट क्या होगा, डिक्रीज होता जाएगा. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट? लोअर डेट इक्विटी रेशियो मींस लोअर फाइनेंशियल रिस्क. डेट इक्विटी की जो रेशियो है वो जितनी कम होगी उतना ही रिस्क कम होगा, क्योंकि ये माना जाता है कि अगर हम डेट ज्यादा लेते हैं तो रिस्क भी ज्यादा हो जाता है. डेट टू टोटल एसेट्स ऑफ अ फर्म इज 0.2. द डेट टू इक्विटी वुड बी 0.25. Which of the following helps analyzing return to equity shareholders? Earning per share. In inventory turnover calculation, what is taken in numerator? Inventory turnover ratio. Inventory divided by cost of goods sold. Financial planning deals with preparing budget. Financial planning starts with the preparation of master budget, cash budget, balance sheet. None of the above. Process of financial planning ends with comparison of actual with projected. Capital budgeting is part of investment decision कि हमें कहाँ पर इन्वेस्ट करना है, और इन केसेस में हम क्या फाइंड आउट करते हैं, इसकी एनपीवी, जो जिस प्रोजेक्ट की एनपीवी ज्यादा होगी तो हम उसमें इन्वेस्ट करेंगे. कैपिटल बजटिंग डील्स विद लॉन्ग टर्म डिसीजंस. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट यूज्ड इन कैपिटल बजटिंग? नेट एसेट्स मेथड. कैपिटल बजटिंग डिसीजंस आर irreversible. Which of the following is not incorporated in capital budgeting? Rate of cash discount. Which of the following is not a capital budgeting decision? That is inventory level. A sound capital budgeting technique is based on accounting profit. Which of the following is not a relevant cost in capital budgeting? A and C. Not a relevant cost, that is sunk cost or allocated overheads. Capital budgeting decisions are based on incremental cash flows. Which of the following doesn't affect cash flows proposal? Method of project financing. Cash inflow from a project include tax shield of depreciation or after tax operating profits. Next question. Which of the following is not true with reference to capital budgeting? Existing investment in a project is not treated as sunk cost. Which of the following is not followed in capital budgeting? Accrual principle. Depreciation is incorporated in cash flow because it reduces tax liability. Which of the following is not true for capital budgeting? Opportunity costs are excluded. Which of the following is not applied in capital budgeting? All accrued costs and revenues be incorporated. Evaluation of capital budgeting proposal is based on cash flows because cash is more important than profit. Which of the following is not included in incremental A cash flows? Sunk cost. A proposal is not a capital budgeting proposal if it brings short-term benefits only. Because of capital budgeting proposal में क्या होते हैं हमें long-term benefits. In capital budgeting, sunk cost is excluded because it is not incremental. Saving in respect of a cost is treated in capital budgeting as an inflow. कहते हैं ना कि अगर हम पैसे को जितना बचाएंगे कैपिटल बजट के अकॉर्डिंग तो उसे हम इनफ्लो मानेंगे. इन कैपिटल बजटिंग द टर्म कैपिटल rationing implies as that limited funds are available for investment. Feasibility set approach to capital rationing can be applied in accept reject situations. In case of divisible projects, which of the following can be used to attain maximum NPV, that is profitability index approach? In case of the individual projects, which of the following may not give the optimum result? Feasibility set approach. So students, इस क्लास में हमने 100 MCQs कंप्लीट किए हैं और हमारी नेक्स्ट क्लास भी आपको बहुत जल्द मिलेगी. उसमें हम नेक्स्ट 100 MCQ कवर करेंगे और इसी तरह से हम कवर करने वाले हैं टोटल 749 MCQs फॉर फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट. आप किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हो तो उसमें ये आपको बहुत बेनिफिशियल रहने वाले हैं. थैंक यू एवरीवन.